Morning, guys. So, 2 pounds gone in one day, basically. This is what we just witnessed. Today's leg day. This is the easy leg day of the week. So it's alright, I'm not that worried. I'm more worried about Friday, but yeah. So, all is good. The weight came down finally, and it's gonna continue, obviously. We're almost there. I mean, literally. This is like the second workout of week 5, so gotta go strong. I'm gonna have my breakfast and then coffee and all that, and then I will see you at the gym. Alright, at the gym now. It's so amazing. The Chinese New Year is coming. I told you, like, in one of my active rest days, and most of the people, they started leaving the city. So there's like literally, let me say, like 2-3 people at the gym. I love it. So we are gonna start with leg presses as usual and continue. Finish my warm up. I just wanted to say that, for example, like for this one, you've noticed that, you know, since the beginning I was training with the same weight, and if you paid attention, my reps actually passed 20 every single set. But because this is also one of those exercises where I am more prone to injuries because of my back, so I'm not pushing the weight, okay? So I'm not changing the weight. I can easily add, like, you know, 10, 50, 25 pounds, like on each side, obviously, and still perform like within the rep range that I'm after, but I'm not doing it, okay? And this is on purpose. I'm increasing my reps, but I'm not increasing my weight, all right? Another leg day is done. So I'll see you guys at recap, right? Peace. Hey guys, so it's another recap time. My weight finally, well, it came down after like several days of like constant weight increase. So hopefully it's gonna continue tomorrow, like it's not gonna bump up to some crazy weights again. If it continues this way, like what I've seen in the morning, then it would be somewhere where I would expect it to be, okay? So by the end of this like 6 weeks, I'm hoping to get to like maybe 81 kilos, okay? So I have like another, well, according to today's weight, I have another like 1.2 kilos to lose, which is about like 2.5 pounds. So normally it would be pretty easy for me, but I'm not changing anything yet, okay? So I don't know, maybe I might do some changes on the last week, okay? So that I'll be able to get to where I want to get to, but I don't think that it's going to be necessary. And also, I mean, you've seen my physique updates. Normally I'm like pretty much where I want to be actually physique wise, okay? So I wasn't planning to get like too lean, so this is like something that I'm comfortable with. As I said in the last active rest day, the signs that I'm after, like they're completely fine so far, and this is something that I feel very comfortable being at. So I don't want to go into that very lean territory where I'm not feeling comfortable during daily life, all right? But we'll see. And so today, I literally, after leaving the gym, I've seen this thing, like, is this becoming a thing or is this a new thing that I'm not aware of? Like, please tell me. I hope it's not a thing or it's not becoming a thing. I don't understand what's with these people lately. Like this fashion sense of the new generation. So I don't get it. I hope this is not becoming a good thing, all right? So anyways, it's a leg day, so 2,600 calories, and tomorrow it's gonna be 2,500 for a pool day. And this is actually day 30, so which basically marks like the 1 month thing, but maybe I will do it like tomorrow. I will leave it to tomorrow and maybe I will make a video like 1 month thing. It might go viral, who knows. So anyways, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, all right? Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and comment. Let me know if this is actually like a thing. Like, do people dress like this? I really honestly don't know. This is like my first time seeing it, so I'm kind of like really confused. And like, I don't know, it looks really weird, I think. I would never wear such a thing, even if it became a thing. So anyways, let me know, all right? I'll see you guys tomorrow.